Hello and welcome to today's lesson. In this video, you will learn 3 important topics in English: numbers, days of the week, and months of the year. These are essential for everyday communication, scheduling, and understanding dates. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently use these words in conversations. Let's get started. Part 1. Numbers. Let's begin with numbers. Numbers are everywhere, on clocks, money, dates, and addresses. First, we will learn numbers from 1 to 20, then move on to larger numbers. Read and repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! Now, let us learn the multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's practice forming numbers. How do we say 25? What about 72? Large numbers: 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion. Good job! Numbers are also used to tell the time and prices of items. Listen and repeat these examples. It's 3 o'clock. This cost $25. Today is March 5th. Listen and read these numbers aloud as they appear on your screen. Now, let's move on to the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Listen and repeat after me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday to Friday are weekdays. Saturday and Sunday are the weekends. Let's practice using them in sentences. I go to school on Monday. We have a meeting on Tuesday. She plays soccer on Wednesday. My piano lesson is on Thursday. They watch a movie every Friday. Here are some useful questions you might hear. What day is it today? It's Friday. What day do you like? I like Saturday. Great job. Now, let's test your memory. Can you put the days in order? Pause the video if you need more time. Months of the year. There are 12 months in a year, starting from January to December. Now, let's learn the 12 months of the year. Listen and repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Some months have 30 days, some have 31, and February is special with 28 or 29 days. Let's practice. My birthday is in July. Christmas is in December. Can you name the missing months? Say them out loud. Great job today. You learn numbers, days of the week, and months of the year. Keep practicing and use them in real-life situations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other lessons. See you next time.